We are ripping apart a 65-inch Samsung Smart TV. This is the actual screen. This is the rest of the TV. And then there's different panels that go in behind and in front of the screen itself. Right now what we're trying to do is pull all the lights out, because what lights up this entire TV, the whole 65 inches, is one little strip of lights right across the bottom part. And that's all of it. As soon as I tear this apart, I will have the lights out. Once we get the lights out, we'll light them up and show you what it looks like. If it still works.